What if I told you you could decorate your home once and love it for years? Not just for this season, not just for this trend, but for the way it feels every single day you walk through your door. Because the most beautiful homes, the ones that feel calm, welcoming, and complete, they're not chasing trends. They're timeless. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create that feeling in your own home, step by step. If you've ever looked around your home and thought something feels off, but I just can't quite explain it. Or maybe you've spent money decorating, redecorating, only for it to feel outdated a year later. This video is for you. Because timeless decorating isn't about spending more money. It's about making better choices and decisions. Once you understand these principles, everything changes. Step 1. The foundation. Start with what never goes out of style. Every timeless home begins the same way, with a calm, neutral foundation. Think of this like getting dressed. Before the accessories, before the statement pieces, you start with the basics. In your home, that means wall color, large furniture, rugs, soft whites, warm beiges, and gentle grays. These tones don't compete for attention. They create a quiet backdrop that allows everything else to shine. And here's the mistake so many people make. We go too stark, too cold. A timeless home should feel warm, not sterile. So if your space feels a little off, this is the first place to look. Choosing furniture that lasts. Choose shapes that have stood the test of time. Trends change, but good design repeats. Have you ever noticed how certain furniture pieces always look just right? A classic sofa with soft arms, a simple wooden dining table, a beautiful upholstered chair. These shapes have been used for decades, and they're still being used to this day. Why? Because they work. So instead of asking, what's popular right now? Start asking, will this look good 10 years from now? And that one question will completely change how you shop. The secret to a beautiful home. Layering texture. Now this is where the magic happens. Because a timeless home is never flat, it's layered. Imagine walking into a room that has a linen sofa, a wooden coffee table, a woven basket, a soft wool throw, a ceramic lamp. There's no loud color, no bold trend, and yet it feels right. It feels rich, warm, and inviting. That's texture. Texture is what makes a neutral home feel alive. So if your space feels boring, don't add more color. Add more texture. Why some of our homes feel off. The power of balance and symmetry. Have you ever walked into a room and felt instantly at ease, but couldn't explain why? Chances are it was balanced. Symmetry is one of the oldest design principles and the one of the most powerful. 2 lamps on either side of a bed, a sofa with matching chairs, artwork centered perfectly above a console. It gives your eyes a place to rest. And when your eyes can rest, you feel calm. So if something feels off in your space, try this. Step back and ask yourself, is this room balanced? bring the outside in. Natural materials never fail. There's a reason why most beautiful homes always feel connected to nature. Because nature never goes out of style. Wood, stone, linen, greenery. These materials age beautifully. They soften a space. They make a home feel real. Even something as simple as a wooden tray, a small plant, a stone vase can completely shift the feeling of a room. And the best part is, these pieces don't date. They just create beautiful homes with patterns. Less is more. Choose what lasts. Patterns can be beautiful, but they can also be the fastest way to date your home. So here's the rule. And here's how to do it. Keep it classic. Stripes, soft florals, simple plaids, and use them sparingly. A pillow, a chair, maybe a rug. Because timeless homes don't overwhelm, they invite. Mix old and new. This is what gives a home its soul. If your home feels a little flat, a little too perfect, it may be missing one thing: history, heritage, vintage, soul. A timeless home always has a mix of old and new. Maybe it's a vintage mirror, an antique side table, a piece passed down through family. These pieces tell a story, and when you mix them with modern comfort, your home starts to feel layered, personal, and alive. Not just like a showroom or a magazine. Your home starts to tell a story, your story. The final layer. Lighting changes everything. Lighting is often overlooked, and it's one of the most important elements for a timeless home. A single overhead light, it flattens everything. But layer lighting, that's where the magic is. A soft table lamp, a warm floor lamp, a gentle glow in the evening. This is what makes a home feel cozy, finished, timeless. And always choose warm light. It makes everything and everyone look better. So if you take away anything from this video, let it be this: a timeless home isn't about perfection. It's about creating a space that feels comfortable, balanced, warm, and truly lived in. When you focus on that, you stop chasing trends and you start creating a home you genuinely love for many, many years to come. Happy decorating! Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye!